Okay, I'm going to show you how to draw a mouth. Before I do, of course, if you want to know what's coming up next, hit that subscribe button. Right, shape of a mouth. Now, a lot of people make the mistake of just drawing a kind of line, a straightish line. Mouth's not really like that. You know, if you look at the centre of the mouth tends to come down in a curve like that. Okay, and then on the other side, it kind of slopes away, a bit like a longbow, you know, medieval longbow. Might come down then curving up at the end like that. Okay, and the top lip, remember on the top lip you have the groove on the upper lip, which kind of makes that shape there, you know, doubles up that shape like that. Comes up a wee bit higher on the side and then comes down and slopes down towards the end of the mouth like that. So there you have your top lip shape. On the bottom lip, again, I'm using a 4B pencil, which is quite soft, and not leaning very hard on it. I'm bringing down the bottom lip. You know, obviously some lips are more full than others, but there's fairly full set of lips here coming up like that to this area here. Okay, and then what you can do is you can start to put a bit more weight on your pencil, shade in, put a bit more dark shading in there on the other side of that curve, just about here. Okay, and then I'm using a kind of rotary motion of the pencil. Put a wee bit of weight in there, a wee bit darker at the edge, but you come to the centre, take the weight off and make it quite light, because you're going to give the impression this bit's standing out slightly, and then get a wee bit darker as you come down this side again like that. Don't draw a heavy line around your lips like that. And of course the actual skin of the lips comes up tiny fine lines like that, which you can put in with your pencil very lightly. Don't want to accentuate them too much, like that. Okay, same with the bottom, very light actually coming from the edge here. I want to get the impression there's a light catching this part here, so you're shading underneath the bottom lip a bit more to begin with, coming up to the edge like that. Okay, and again bring your shading in a bit so that it's not right to the edge, because you get a sense of the curve coming around here, but reflected light under there. See that, leave a wee bit, same as that coming out there. And then start to bring your lines, you know, like those, very lightly bring them around in a curve. Then you control that pencil motion coming around there like that. A bit more shading in there now. To build it up gradually. A bit more light here. Okay, maybe you can turn your pencil around, you get a flat bit there, you see, as you shade, but if you turn it around, you get the sharp bit again. You can put a bit more detail in, not too much, not heavy line, just a wee bit, something like that. Okay, and then underneath, of course, you will get a bit of shading there, just under the bottom lip. And sometimes the bottom comes down and goes up a little bit like that before it goes back up again, so you get this bit of shading here, which would then go down to the chin shape, which is down there. Okay, and a wee bit more shading in here and here, and these are the wee lines at the side of the mouth coming in here. Okay, a little bit more shading in here, and I'll keep on just building it up slowly. Any more shading there. Have a look at the mirror, by the way, and see what your own lips look like. You know, see how the light falls on them. All right. I'm just doing this by feel and touch at the moment, you know, from my experience. I'm not actually drawing looking in a mirror. I'm just going to give you the sense of how to create these three-dimensional lips. Okay, that's not bad. Right, well, I hope you check out my next video, which will be about drawing a face, putting these features together, the lips, the nose and the eyes. Okay, but in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.